Hey, it's Richie from Crazy Rides Inc., and we're here at Dean's Garage, and we're going to see what Dean's put on his bike. So, hi, Dean. So, what did you do now?
Hey, Rich, how you doing?
All right, brother.
Yeah, man, we added a fender on the bike.
Oh, we have a fender on this bike, and what a fender that is. Wow. What do you have, and where'd you get it from?
I got it from, where did I get it from? Smitty was the painter.
Yes, but you got it from Factory Match.
That's him, Factory Match.
Factory Match. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful fender. And this is called the
No idea.
wraparound.
There you go.
I
Shows
see-
how much I pay attention.
I
I
see.
see what I want, I just buy it.
That's Dean. That's Dean. He just pushes the button and says send.
I liked it.
That is
Let me
beautiful.
tell you, man,
Look at
that
the
is-
contour of that fender. How
that
she
is-
drops all the way down and comes all the way up. And you know what? The tire is a lot fuller because that fender just hugs it.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I can show you that. Yep. How was the install?
Easy. It's only 4 bolts.
Well, it looks
Well,
like
now you had to put nuts on the back here where the other fender they were welded on there.
so they come with the
Comes with
the bolts and nuts.
No, nuts, bolts, and the spacers.
It comes with everything.
Yeah, you have the option to paint the spacers or not.
And you had them painted the same color.
Yeah, black,
I could see that.
of course. Yeah.
That looks beautiful. Wow. That is nice. And was it a difficult install?
No, not at all.
And it looks a lot lighter than the other fender.
It's not.
This fender is actually heavier
Oh my
than the
God.
stock fender.
If you're looking to save weight, that's not the fender for you.
Right, but it's actually acting like a tweet bar like we used to have years ago with the front end.
It's solid. No rivets. It's solid. It's heavy. I don't care about the weight because, we're not sport riding. You know what I mean? I'm not looking to make this bike lighter anyway.
Hey, you know what? A little heaviness is okay. Keeps the wheel on the ground, especially when you're doing 100 miles an hour.
Exactly. Which I'm doing now since we put the Axio in here
Yes.
with no problem. So
Yes, he's got the Legend suspension in the front and the rear. This bike rides on a rail. I love it. This is a nice, the paint job.
This-
I don't even know if you could
Can't
see,
even
look, yes, you could see the reflection.
Oh yeah, no, he did a
Unbelievable.
phenomenal job, yeah.
What a smooth finish. Wow. What a beautiful paint job, clear coated. That black drops down so nice, man.
Now
Really
you
clean.
ordered one too, didn't you?
Yes, I ordered the level. It's called the Level Hugger. And I'm still waiting for it to come in. I look every day in the mail.
He sent me an email before this was coming. So
Oh, I'm still looking for that email.
it was worth the wait.
Oh, it is beautiful. I got to tell you, man,
That's
the
the
wheel,
box that came in.
the wheel looks great. And I understand it was packaged like a baby.
Yeah, here you go. If you want to show that to your viewers.
Okay, that's the company, the Factory Match Inc. I mean factorymatch.com.
Packed very well. A little nervous because the box was ripped when I got it.
Yeah, that's from shipping.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't trust those guys.
No, but he had it packed well, so there was not a mark
Yeah,
on it.
you could have had a baby in there and packed the way it was, and it wouldn't have had damage. Wow, this is beautiful.
It is nice. I took it out for one ride with it on, and I didn't feel anything.
I can't believe how nice and that the wheel looks larger now.
Oh yeah, I love the way it looks. Gives it a little more aggressive look.
Yes.
Which is what I was looking for.
Yes.
With the added suspension, with the bars, with the Kraus bars on here, and I put the orange ignition
nice.
wires on.
Yeah, I see
You
that.
barely see them though.
I see
I'm a
that.
little upset. You can't really see them.
I know. because
they're
and the
high-
back you have the
You got the cover.
you have the cover, so you know. But you see more of
You
it
see
on
it.
yours
You know
than
what,
you do
it's-
on mine.
yeah,
I have the black ones, and you don't see them at all,
You know
except for the
what?
writing.
It's subtle. It matches my
Yeah, the
motif I
seat.
got going on here.
Yeah, you got and the grips.
Yeah.
You got a nice contrast here.
And it's Harley. They're Harley wires, so you know.
Yeah, that Fender is beautiful. So if anybody's interested, it's factory. It's the factorymatch.com, and check them out. They got all different Fenders. They come in color, straight colors, and give me. What do you think? What do you think of it?
Love it. Love the way it looks.
That's
That's
coming
what
from-
I was going for. That's the look. I went online. I saw a couple that he had. He had different variations, as you know. You bought one. I wanted this particular one to hug the whole tire all the way around. Just give me that little more aggressive look. I'm happy.
This is beautiful. All right, this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. Subscribe, hit the notification, leave a comment. Leave a comment on the Fender. What do you think?
Yeah, just be nice.
There you go. Yes, only nice comments. All right, signing off. Thank you. Thanks, Dean.